John, thank you. To be alive in the quaddy coming into the third leg, 8 and 3 are the numbers you need. And the very short price favourite, here's the pink, Fimple Allen. Green light on, no scratchings, running 460 metres once again. And they're set to fly. And away. Fimple Allen out wide wasn't best out. Very slow out was Cosmic Soul. Winning the start, Barroom Porus leads early. Going up to it though was Shandlin Pippin on the first turn. Now Fimple Allen recovers, goes to third and makes ground. Just check Lorna Olive off that back turn. A length and a half out of the out there is Bar King Buddy, who's racing a bit wide. Dr. Love Disc is well back in the field. So is Cosmic Soul, and wide on the track. It's in front still on the inside though, going strongly. Barroom Promise. It was able to begin well and wins by 2.5 to the favourite Fimple Allen. Third is tight with I'm a Reality coming from well back in there with Lorna Olive and also Barking Buddy a little bit wider on the track. Shandlin Pippin has dropped right out. Cosmic Soul was never a chance in the race with Dr. Love Disc. And the time here is 26 and 12.